Want to create YouTube thumbnails that stop the scroll, boost your click-through rate, and look like they were made by a professional? You'll have pro-level prompts, a repeatable workflow, and the tools top YouTubers use to grow faster and get more views. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. All right, let's get into it. First things first, we need an eye-catching character for the thumbnail. Your best tools for this, MidJourney and ChatGPT's image generation features. Let's start with MidJourney, known for its incredible artistic control and unique styles. The secret to MidJourney is the prompt. Be clear, descriptive, and specific. Here's the prompt formula, especially effective when you want a clean character cut out later. A young man with curly brown hair, wide green eyes, expressive surprised face, pointing up with his index finger, wearing a chunky olive green sweater. Happy and energetic, white background, studio lighting, AR 16.9 style raw.
Yeah, that's seriously impressive. Like, how does AI even do this? The colors, the composition, wow.
Or maybe something for a finance niche. Young man, curly brown hair, wearing green sweater, holding stack of money in one hand, smiling proudly, glowing $10,000 text effect nearby, financial thumbnail style, vibrant blue-orange background, space for title text -A16:9 style raw.
Whoa! Now that's what I'm talking about. MidJourney never fails to blow my mind. Look at those details.
Couple of quick pro tips here. Always use AR 16.9. This forces the aspect ratio to match YouTube's standard thumbnail dimensions. Add style raw for more realism and greater control over your images. Control the artistic flair in your images with the stylize parameter. stylize or -S. Default stylize is 100, adjustable from 0 to 1000. Crucially, specifying white background or isolated background makes removing it later so much easier. Trust me on this. Now, MidJourney has two insanely powerful features: image prompts and style references. With image prompts, you upload a photo, and MidJourney tries to copy elements like poses, colors, or specific details. It's way easier than trying to describe exactly how someone should be standing. Then there are style references. You upload an image whose style you love, the lighting, the texture, the overall vibe, and MidJourney applies that style to your own character prompt. The results can look like they came straight from a professional design studio. It's genuinely impressive. It's shockingly good. Yeah, that kind of impressive. Okay, maybe MidJourney feels a bit complex, or you want a fantastic free option. Enter ChatGPT. And the best part, this tool is 100% free. You don't need a paid plan or any pro subscription to generate these images. Here are some example prompts for ChatGPT. Male example: create a realistic image of a 30-year-old Latino man with short black curly hair, a trimmed beard, brown eyes, wearing a black hoodie. He's smiling confidently, isolated on a white background with soft studio lighting. Format it for a YouTube thumbnail. Female example: generate an image of a 28-year-old Russian woman with long, dark, wavy hair in a ponytail, green eyes, wearing a red blazer, hands on head, confident smile, isolated on a pastel background. Lighting should be clean and professional, ideal for a YouTube thumbnail. So, you've got your base character from ChatGPT, but maybe you saw another thumbnail with amazing lighting or mood. You can blend them. Here's how simple it is in ChatGPT. Upload your generated character image or just describe it again. Upload the reference image whose style you want to copy. Then, prompt it like this. Blend the subject of the first image or description with the style of the second image. Keep the character's pose and outfit, but apply the lighting, color palette, background mood, and overall artistic feel from the reference image. ChatGPT will analyze both and generate a new version combining your character with the desired style. Boom! Instant vibe match. This next one is a game changer. Why guess what works when successful creators are already showing you? Here's the hack. Find a thumbnail you admire in your niche. Someone big, getting clicks. Screenshot it. Upload that screenshot to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT this. Blend the subjects of this character with the style of the second image. Keep the same pose, but apply the lighting, background mood, and composition from the reference. Hold up. This new ChatGPT feature is absolutely insane. The power of ChatGPT is that you can generate many variations of the same character, each with different expressions, clothes, and body language. Use this to batch test thumbnail ideas. Simple prompts you can use. Arms crossed, smirking, wearing a blazer. Intense gaze, studio lighting, isolate white background, YouTube thumbnail style. Whoa, look at this result. Change one detail and, bam, totally new thumbnail in seconds. Or try this prompt. Holding a phone with shocked expression, mouth open and smiling. Isolate white background, studio lighting, YouTube thumbnail composition, ultra realistic. Whoa, look at this. Impossible want viral thumbnails in seconds? Use this ChatGPT power prompt. Give me 5 simple prompts for a YouTube thumbnail, each with a different pose and emotion. Always use an isolated white background. Change just one detail at a time. Pose, outfit, or background. Now let's turn your AI-generated image into a polished, high-performing thumbnail. Step 1. Remove the background. Remove .bg. This is usually my first stop. It's fantastic for quick, clean, automatic cutouts. Or Canva Pro. If you're already working in Canva and have the Pro version, its built-in background remover is super convenient. You can also remove the background with Adobe Express. Removing the background is literally just one click away. Step 2. Assemble in Canva. Open Canva YouTube thumbnail template. Drag and drop your clean character image. Add bold text, max 4 to 5 words. Use high contrast colors. Use 1 to 2 icons or overlays. Now you've got the complete system for designing high-performing YouTube thumbnails using MidJourney or ChatGPT and Canva. Until next time, keep testing, keep creating, and keep getting clicks. Thanks for watching.